What's up, Adam's family? Oh my god. Hello there, babe. Babe? Alright.
I'm better than you.
You're better than me.
I just scored your dad.
Oh, she's slow. Mother? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you? Alright. So Bobby thinks he's winning on iMessage games when really he's butt. Aren't you? Say
No.
it. Say it.
No.
Say it.
No.
Say it.
I'm winning. I have one more. Jesus Christ.
You know, when I become a dad, I'm gonna be better at my son than the game. Do you ever beat him?
Bobby?
Yeah.
Never.
Bobby, you lose to the old man, don't you?
No, I'm way too good. Yeah.
You're way too good.
He's got mad combos.
Hola.
Hello.
About to go see some friends.
It's the 4th of July.
4th of July. We'll get to you on the next clip. Why you look like that?
What are you doing?
What am I doing? What are you doing?
Trying to be cute? It's too freaking hot.
Me?
No, me.
No, me.
No, you're not.
That's me. Oh, we making up some burgers.
Angus burgers.
Yo!
Easy, 2 hands, you cheater. Give it back. 1 hand. It's harder with 1 hand.
So, that didn't even bust, but it went straight.
Try. What's your knife? Oh, shit.
Oh. Oh.
I know. I heard you.
Come on, Dad.
You throw away.
Ah.
You're doing better while recording. A little more art.
This is the lucky one. Never mind. Or one ugly son. It's just. Ah! Oh.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That was it?
You should get the fireworks in slow motion.
Emotional damage.
Alright. Okay. Alright.
It won't pop. That's what she said.
I'm gonna walk in here like I own the place. Just kidding, I got a Pepsi. Oh, that is cool.
Fuck, that's very good.
Actually,
I did not know there was even LEDs in these things.
mermaid.
We have no shoes to wear, no place to call our
Dang.
only this cross to bear.
John Lou.
Lend us a helping hand. Is there no love anymore?
Oh my god.
In the promised land.
My muscles.
What muscles?
Oh god.
Oh. What are you guys doing?
What? It's not focusing.
Alright guys, so we are in the theater room. Look at this. Look at this. That is cool. Like, they got a popcorn machine like right there. Like, and then they got that with the projector. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. And leather seats.
Because like Mike's gone, like it never take it back.
Hi. Hey.
Hi.
No one cares.
Gotcha, bitch.
Good thing it's blurred out. Thank you for the baby stuff, Mom.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh.
What you doing there? Go up with mommy. Go with mommy.
Hi. Come on.
You together?
How you doing?
I am tipsy. That's about it.
He's doing good. He's doing great.
You ready to watch the movie, John Lou?
He's
You ready to?
He's ready for
Hi. 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 How you doing? Okay. Okay. Wake the fuck up. Wake the fuck up. Wake the fuck up. Listen.
Hello, young doggy.
Oh, she just said back.
Hello. Goodbye.
It's been a good day.
It's been fun. Happy 4th of July, everybody. From my family to yours. Where's my
She's in the bathroom.
All right. Well, I guess we'll say goodbye on the next clip then. Say goodbye to the Adams family.
Bye.
Well, looks like she.
I'm gonna die.
All right, guys. We gotta ride home now. But I love you guys. Take it easy. Leave a like, comment, and share the video. Please subscribe. Turn on the push notifications if you haven't already. And we will see you later, fam. Take it easy. Peace.